Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I would like to share a super healthy snack Ragi Laddu rich with iron, protein, calcium and essential vitamins and minerals. Let us see how to prepare this healthy Ragi Laddu. Take 1 cup of whole grain ragi, preferably organic ragi. Ragi is also called as finger millet or nachni. Wash it thoroughly to remove dirt and impurities. Drain the water. After water is drained completely, dry it under sunlight. Better to spread it on clean cotton cloth and keep it under sunlight. When it is drying, chop 10 to 15 almonds, dates and cashews. You can use any nuts of your choice. If you are using cashews, roast them on low flame till they turn golden brown, then the taste will be good. These dry nuts will give added taste and nutrition to the laddu. Now all nuts are cut into pieces and I have roasted cashew nuts. Now ragi is dried completely. Heat thick bottom pan on high flame, preferably iron pan. This iron pan helps for the better absorption of iron. Now take little ragi and roast it on hot tawa. In few seconds, it will start popping. Allow it to pop completely. Ragi is a whole grain staple food with low glycemic index. It is rich with fiber, calcium, iron, vitamin C, D and B complex. Special property is it is gluten-free and with low glycemic index. Once it is done, switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Ragi is suitable for all body types and especially good for pregnant, lactating women and growing children. After complete cooling, grind it to form fine powder. This powder is called as ragihurihittu. This powder is ready to eat food and no need to cook. This powder can be used to make hot ragi malt, ragi buttermilk cooler, ragi porridge, ragi burfi, ragi laddu, etc. So today let us make ragi laddu. For this, take 1 cup of organic jaggery in a thick bottom pan. Add 1/4 cup of water and bring it to boil. Once it reaches to one string consistency, like this, switch off the flame and add ragi powder, cardamom powder and all nuts. Give a good mix. When it is warm itself, try to make laddus. No need of adding any ghee or any binding agent. Jaggery itself acts as binding agent. Super healthy ragi laddu is ready to serve. Serve your family healthy food. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.